Looking for a simple way to protect your car's finish while working under the hood? The Comp Cam's heavy-duty padded vinyl fender cover offers exactly that. Designed with a non-skid backing, it stays firmly in place, shielding your paint from scratches, acid, and grease throughout every job. I've used this fender cover during countless repairs, and what stands out is its durability and ease of maintenance. The padded vinyl feels tough enough to handle sharp tools and rough edges, yet it's soft enough to prevent any damage to your car's surface. Plus, if grease or acid spills, a quick wipe with mild detergent or solvent restores it to like new condition. The bright Comp Cam's logo adds a professional touch, making it clear you're serious about quality protection. What really matters is how this cover holds up in real-world use. Mechanics have praised its sturdy design and the convenient channel gutter that securely holds tools, keeping your workspace organized. While some might wish it were a bit heavier for extra stability, this is a minor detail compared to the protection it provides. If you're ready to keep your car looking flawless and your work efficient, this fender cover is worth a look. If you're serious about safeguarding your car's finish without fuss, the Comp Cam's heavy-duty padded vinyl fender cover delivers. It's easy to clean, resists harsh substances, and stays put when you need it most. Try it when you're ready to work smarter and protect better.